If you are after this video, it's because you want to connect your TikTok Insights data to Claude. By the end of this video, you will find out two automated options to connect your account data to Claude. The first and fastest option is by using the Porter Metrics MCP. This will allow you to connect more than 20 marketing data platforms to Claude so you can run cross-channel analysis. To do so, you just need to go into portermetrics.com. You create your account or login. Don't worry, we have a free forever plan. Then you click on create, you select Claude, and as soon as you do that, you will land in this page. Here you will click in go to Claude, and this will redirect you to this Claude window where you can set up your custom connector. You can go back to Porter and copy the name and paste it in the custom connector window of Claude. And the same with the remote MCP server URL. You go back to Porter Metrics, you copy the URL, and then you paste it inside Claude. Then you click on add, and as soon as you do that, you will see us as a connector inside your Claude. After this, you can create a new chat with Claude. Then you click on the plus button, you select connectors, and you will see the Porter Metrics connector there. Make sure that it is on so you can access any account that you have connected. Remember that with Porter Metrics, you can connect different marketing data platforms so that way you can run cross-channel questions. Now that you are connected to Porter Metrics, via Claude without leaving it, you can ask Claude to connect your TikTok account to Porter Metrics. In this case, I'm saying I want to connect a new account to TikTok Insights to Porter Metrics. Claude will answer you with a link so you can authorize and connect your new TikTok account to Porter Metrics. You click on it, then you will land this page. You scroll down a little bit and click on add a new TikTok account. You will be redirected to TikTok. You scroll down and at the bottom you click on continue. As soon as you do that, you will be able to start asking questions to Claude around your TikTok organic data. For example, I have an account called Santiago Cardoso underscore 25 and I want Claude to create a performance report of that specific account. After a few minutes, this is the dashboard that Claude is creating out of my TikTok data. At the top is displaying me total followers, total likes, posts, number of people that I follow in this account, the engagement over the last 30 days. It's also showing me a time series chart with the evolution of video views around time over the last 30 days. I could continue asking questions to Claude around my account, but right now I just wanted to show you this so you can get a sense of what you can do if you connect Claude with your TikTok ads data using the Porter Metrics MCP. The second option is by using the Google BigQuery MCP. To do so, first you need to send all your marketing data information into Google BigQuery, and then by using the Google BigQuery MCP, you can access to that table so Claude can run the SQL and help you with any analysis that you have. We already did a video on how you can send your marketing data information to BigQuery. I suggest you go and check it out. Now that you have connected your account to Claude, you can run reports, create dashboards, optimize your campaigns, and many more stuff. I hope this video was useful. Subscribe and see you in the next one.